Okay, in this segment I'll talk about different kinds of searches that can be done within the virtual corpora that you've created. So for example, I've created a virtual corpus dealing with investments, which has 100 articles and about 485,000 words. And I want to know what the most common words dealing with finance are. So I use a wildcard here, so it'll find finance, finances, financing, and so on. I make sure that investment is highlighted because that's the virtual corpus that I'm looking in. And then when I do that, I see the most common words are financial, finance, financing, and so on. And I can, of course, click on any of these to see the word used in context. If I want a better sampling, I can click on sample. And then if I want to see the original Wikipedia page, of course, I can just click on that page and I can see the original page. So anyway, that's just a simple search looking for certain words in my virtual corpus. Of course, there are more complex things that we can do. For example, if I want to see what nouns occur after market, I would just type in market and then space and then the code for noun. And if I didn't know all of those codes, it's pretty easy to have them inserted. I just come to part of speech list. I choose, for example, noun, and then it inserts it for me. So again, I've selected to look just in the investment corpus. So now when I look for this, I see market conditions, market value, market participants, and so on. And again, I can click on any of those to see the wording context. All right, so in that case, we're looking for an exact, we're looking for a two-word string, market followed by a noun. Sometimes, however, you just want to find all of the words that are near a given word. And in order to do that, we're going to use collocates. So, and collocate just means nearby words. So I'm going to put in market again, but this time I'll click on collocate and I'll say I want to find any noun nearby market. And in this case, by default, it's going to look up to 4 words to the left and 4 words to the right of market. And I can change that if I want. So nouns near market, I've selected investment. Now when I look for that, I have, for example, stock market. So stock typically comes before. Money market, money typically comes before. But for example, it would be market conditions. So conditions comes after market. And let's click, for example, on funds. When we do that, we see that in this case, funds occurs about 4 words after market. In some cases, market or funds occurs before market. But the idea is with collocates, it occurs in a cloud around the particular word that we're looking for, in this case, market. Okay, the last type of search that we're going to do is looking at a keyword in context and being able to sort by words to the left and to the right to see the pattern in which a word occurs. So in order to do that, I'm going to take the same word that we've been looking for before, market, and this time I'm going to click on KWIC, keyword in context. I'll make sure that I have investment chosen again, and to start out with, I'm going to choose to sort by words to the left of market. Now when I do that, I can see the word that I have been looking for, market, preceded by one word to the left, so I can see patterns in which it occurs: secondary market, open market, derivatives market, and so on. And then if I want to change and sort by words to the right, I can do that as well. So now we have things like market conditions, market funds, market opportunities, market prices, market share, and so on. And if I want to get more fancy and go in and say I want to search by one word to the left and then one word to the right and that type of thing, we can as well. So hopefully this has been a useful video for you in terms of seeing how you can search within a corpus, how you can look for matching word forms as we did for words related to finance, then how you can search for strings such as market followed by noun, how you can search for collocates which let you find words that are in a cloud of words around a word that you're interested in, as we did again with market, and then finally how you're able to get a keyword in context or concordance display to see the patterns in which a word occurs, as we just did again with market.